Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing, ew, let me, hey, stop it. Okay, I'm gonna be making a new OC with y'all. Oh my gosh, stop that. Oh my gosh, I hate this thing. Let's go. Okay. Oh my gosh. I have a new glasses, okay? So no hating, don't you dare. By the way, I'm gonna post this. Oh bruh, stop it. Oh. See this as my finger? Oh yeah, don't mind my keyboard. Oh my gosh. Let's create a new one. Pink. Oh yeah, I have face emoji keyboard. I forgot. Hey, stop. Next. Guys, have you seen my new OC? Please tell me. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Sorry guys, I'm at Philippines right now. This is my true one. This is true, I'm at Philippines. Like, bro, it's so... Let me put this right there. Let me put some fur right here. By the way, guys, can you comment your favorite color? And I'll do a new OC like that. But like my type. So... Oh my... Let's see what it looks like. I hate my phone. Like, it's always lagging. Oh, it looks kind of cute. Guys, I make so hard these cats, and then no one just watches my video, so can you please watch this one? Just this time. I'm not forcing you. It's okay if you don't wanna. I won't force you. Right here. I'm working so hard to be a YouTuber, even though I'm a kid. Oh my gosh, yeah. I kinda suck at this. I work so hard to make videos and you don't even support. You don't even watch my videos. If you watch my videos, then thank you. I learned how to make eyes. me just take this keyboard off. Sorry about that. Oh my gosh. One, two, three, four. Okay. After we do this. Oh my gosh. Can it stop working? I don't like it. Bruh, I'm just gonna lower my volume. Stop it. Okay. Next, I put it into gray. Like this gray. I love you all, guys. I don't even hate you, even though you just ignore my videos. The others just likes, and I like, and I love them. But even though you don't like my video, I still appreciate you. Oh. Let's make it much bigger. Oh my gosh, why are they so noisy? Next up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ew. It's so hard to memorize. I actually use Facemoji keyboard. Oh my gosh, my phone is lagging. Guys, just remember I love you. Bruh, stop it. I love you guys. Like, I'm not kidding. I thought you guys were gonna support my videos, and now look, I just get 3 likes, 11 likes like that. No one has ever given me like K, but I'm not forcing, but it's okay. Let me put it up here. New Bye guys.